Hey everybody, Mike Isaac down here at Sherwood Dodge. I have a beautiful fresh trade for you that I want to show you guys. It's surely going to brighten up your day. Check out this yellow paint on this truck. It is unreal. There's some nice custom touches. You've got your tow mirrors painted yellow as well to match the body. You've even got your side steps all to match the body. So take a look at the inside of this truck. It's not going to disappoint. You've got nice perforated custom cat skin leather to match the exterior. 8.4-inch touchscreen, heated seats, heated steering wheel, everything a person needs in a truck. Look at this beautiful big back seat. This, of course, guys, is a Mega Cab. It doesn't get any better than this. The truck is beautifully maintained as well. So this truck only has 87,000 kilometers as well, and it definitely shows. If you were to look on the undercarriage of this truck, there's no rust. It looks immaculate. Let's look in the box of the truck here. Easy drop tailgate. You can see it has the fifth wheel prep group with your third brake light and the camera as well. That way you can load your trailer up easily. As you can see, backup sensors, nice 20-inch wheels. Have a look on the inside again. Power pedals, a nice upgraded cluster. Guys, this is an SLT, okay, with a couple extra goodies. So again, 2018 3/4 ton diesel SLT, nice custom upgrades, one owner, clean Carfax. All right, give us a shout at Sherwood Dodge if you like this truck. 780-410-4100. And again, my name is Mike. We'll see you soon.